Hi everybody, I'm Tom from Apex Customs. What you see in front of me is a beautiful example of a 1960 C1 Corvette. Our client brought it to us. He's owned it for about 10 years and it had been at 7 different shops. So it's kind of the story of decaying cars sitting outside and parts that are lost. Luckily, there's companies out there like Top Flight Automotive that reproduce a lot of the parts that we were able to find, but many of the parts we ended up having to use alternative resources like eBay and Corvette specialty junkyards and things like that in order to find the pieces. So it was a little bit of a challenge, but a challenge that we enjoyed, especially when you get an outcome like this. Of course, being in several different shops, the paint had started to decay. There was some body damage. So basically, 3/4 of the car had to be repainted. The vinyl in the interior looked good. It was just missing a lot of the trim pieces. So the challenge was making sure we could find all those. We ended up adding vintage air to it to keep the client cool during the summer. And we added Dakota Digital gauges to make sure that we were able to monitor the engine accurately and consistently. One of the biggest challenges we did was just rebuilding the top, and all the weather stripping that goes in the top was very difficult. If you've done one of these C1 Corvettes, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. All the weather stripping's new. We replaced the convertible top, so this is the hard top that comes off, and it also has a convertible top in the boot, so you can go either with the hard top or the convertible boot. And the convertible boot we built from scratch. Other than that, we did replace the transmission. We put a brand new 700R4 transmission in it. Another challenge that we faced with this car is that when we took the car in, we didn't realize that it had been wrecked before, and the entire front fiberglass was all brand new, which means it didn't have a lot of the structure that we needed, for instance, for the windshield wipers and that type of thing. So we got past that challenge and everything's working properly as it should. Our client plans on driving this car, and so we wanted to make it as comfortable as possible and give him some good jams. We ended up putting a radio in it from Retro Auto Sound. It's kind of cool. It looks like the OEM radio until you turn it on, and then it has the Bluetooth capability. You can plug in your phone with the USB, etc. So the wheels on this vehicle were looking pretty ratty. So we decided just to go ahead and get some brand new reproduction wheels from CJ Pony Parts. And they look fantastic. I love the red stripe on them. I love the hubcaps with the center caps. They just look great and they complement the car fantastic. As you can see, the engine compartment looks really good. We didn't change out the TPI motor. This motor was obviously swapped into this vehicle sometime in the 90s out of a late 80s Corvette, most likely. Was looking a little ratty, so we painted the entire engine compartment hot rod black. We changed out the steering shaft. We replaced the master cylinder, replaced a lot of the brake lines. We replaced things like the alternator, etc. With the motor, we wanted to give it a little bit more pizzazz, so we body matched the valve covers and some of the intake, the same color as the car, and then with the intake runners, we went ahead and Cerakoted it Arctic Silver. We also built a custom cold air intake, which actually functions as a cold air intake, so it goes to the front of the car and is able to feed this vehicle plenty of fresh air. We replaced we did a lot of wiring cleanup. Obviously, we used an OEM air AC compressor in conjunction with the vintage air to deliver air conditioning to the vehicle. We did all the typical tune-up things like spark plugs and wires and distributor cap and rotor. And then we also replaced the fuel injectors. It runs great, it keeps nice and cool, it actually gets decent gas mileage, and it has a lot more power actually than it would have if we'd have kept that, or if somebody at some point would have kept the original motor that was in this car. So it's really a lot of fun to see the smile on our client's face when he comes and visits his car, and I know he's going to be super excited to be able to start driving this vehicle. I think the story with this vehicle is it was a decade-long project for him involving up to 7 different shops. It's truly been a pleasure working on this car and making this car so beautiful. It's just such a gorgeous body style. It runs as well as it looks. It's going to be a comfortable, fun ride for our client. So while we do a lot of full builds like this, we also do a lot of just upgrades to people's cars, all the way from classic cars like this, 1960 and earlier, all the way to modern muscle cars. We can add air conditioning to an old car. We can fix wiring issues on an old car. We can add Dakota Digital dash. That's very popular. We can upgrade the cooling system to keep up with the heat in Arizona. So if you have a classic car, you want to talk about maybe some upgrades, feel free to give us a call. We'd love to talk to you about your project.